Hey guys, welcome back to IluMind. Ever feel like getting rich is a mystery only Wall Street wizards understand? It's not. Nick Maggiulli, a data whiz and investing guru, spills the beans in his book, Just Keep Buying. Forget get-rich-quick schemes. This book is about smart, steady habits that build real wealth. No magic, just proven strategies anyone can use. Maggiulli uses data and real-life examples to show how regular people can achieve financial freedom. Whether you're just starting out or want to up your investing game, Just Keep Buying is your roadmap to financial success. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich slow and steady. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. This book is about taking control of your financial future. The core message of the book is right there in the title, Just Keep Buying. Sounds simple, right? That's because it is. Maggiulli argues that successful investing isn't about timing the market, but consistently investing over the long haul. Imagine two people wanting to get fit. One goes sporadically, the other goes consistently. Who will see better results? Investing is similar. Consistent investing rides out volatility and benefits from long-term growth. Just keep buying and let compounding do its magic. You can't invest if you don't have anything to invest, right? That's where saving comes in. Maggiulli stresses that saving isn't about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices with your money. Think of it like this. Every dollar you save is a dollar you can invest, and every dollar you invest is a little worker bee out there earning you more money. The more worker bees you have, the faster your wealth grows. The book offers practical tips on how to save more, like automating your savings, setting financial goals, and tracking your spending. It's not about being a Scrooge, it's about being smart and intentional with your money. Remember, every little bit counts. Even small, consistent savings can add up to a significant nest egg over time. So start small, be consistent, and watch your savings grow. We've all heard the investing myths. You need to be rich to invest. Investing is too risky. I'll just wait for the perfect time to invest. Maggiulli tackles these myths head on, using data and logic to show why they're just plain wrong. He emphasizes that investing is for everyone, not just the wealthy. He also points out that while all investments carry some risk, diversification and a long-term strategy can significantly mitigate that risk. And as for waiting for the perfect time to invest, well, that time rarely, if ever, comes. The market is unpredictable, and trying to time it is a fool's errand. As Maggiulli puts it, time in the market beats timing the market. Don't be a sheep and blindly follow the herd. Educate yourself, make informed decisions, and don't let fear keep you from growing your wealth. Time in the market versus timing the market. This is a big one. Many people hesitate to invest because they're afraid of buying at the wrong time and losing money. But Maggiulli shows with hard data that trying to time the market is incredibly difficult, even for professionals. Think of it like trying to catch the top and bottom of a bouncing ball. You might get lucky a few times, but consistently predicting the market's movements is nearly impossible. The better approach? Get in the game and stay in the game. Time in the market, meaning the length of time your money is invested, is a far more significant factor in your returns than trying to perfectly time your entry and exit points. Don't try to be a hero, just keep investing consistently and let time work its magic. You ever heard the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? Well, it applies to investing too. Diversification means spreading your money across different asset classes. Imagine you put all your money into one company and it goes bankrupt. You lose everything. But if you spread your money, even if one fails, others can cushion the blow. Maggiulli explains the importance of diversification. He guides readers on creating a diversified portfolio. Diversification mitigates risk and maximizes long-term success. Don't bet the farm on one horse, spread your bets. Compounding is like the snowball effect of investing. Your money makes money, and then that money makes more money. Over time, even small amounts can grow exponentially. Imagine you invest $100, earning 10%. You now have $110. Next year, 10% on $110. The longer invested, the more powerful it becomes. Start early, even with small amounts. Compounding is like magic, but it's math. It's your best friend for building wealth. Just keep buying isn't just about theory. It's packed with practical advice anyone can use. Maggiulli offers tips on everything from choosing the right investment accounts to minimizing fees to staying disciplined with your investing strategy. He breaks down complex financial concepts like asset allocation and rebalancing into easy to understand language. He also provides helpful resources and tools to help readers take action. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the book offers valuable insights and actionable advice to help you achieve your financial goals. It's like having a personal financial advisor guiding you every step of the way. Remember, investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. With the right knowledge and a little bit of effort, anyone can achieve financial freedom. Just Keep Buying is more than just a book about investing. It's a guide to achieving financial freedom. Maggiulli's message is clear. Building wealth isn't about luck, timing, or complex strategies. It's about consistency, discipline, and making smart choices with your money. By debunking myths, providing practical advice, and emphasizing the power of long-term thinking, Maggiulli empowers readers to take control of their financial futures. He shows that anyone, regardless of their income or background, can achieve financial success. As Maggiulli says in the book, the biggest factor determining your success in investing is not how much money you make, but how you manage the money you have. So start today. Make a plan, automate your savings, and just keep buying. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, do me a favor and let me know in the comments. You can also let me know which book summary you'd like to see next. See you next time.